Heavy hitter from the secret recesses of Pacific Pinball Museum's archive of games. But getting old pinball games to go from masses of, well, under the play table or playfield circuit boards to games that can stand on their own two legs and cold storage soda machines, and right next to it, I can't show you, a cosmic ray detector. Ooh. And sometimes they'll round up back glasses that can be donated and, of course, sold to the general public during some of their sales opportunities, posted online at Pacific Pinball. And even play fields from this old bingo pre-flipper era wood rail game. Any handicapper out there want a parlay? And how about pachinkos to go with some of those pinballs? The gun games, neon beverages, and the coolers to go. And hey, popcorn, anybody? And this pièce de résistance, the Lone Star Beer Chimp, all up for grabs. It's amazing. But what are you supposed to do when you have the thing and it doesn't have all the spare parts you might need? You can't just order them online. So you go to the boneyard, scrap heap of all sorts of parts, wires, things, coils, you name it. And of course there's, as we mentioned, parts that, well, aren't pinball at all. Invaluable. Should you want to be on the receiving end, well, there it is, right before your very eyes. How to do it? Donate or pick it up and take it away. And while the general public can't actually get a view usually inside the amazing warehouse here of games, they can be seen and some picked up for purchase, simple as 1, 2, 3, by attending their sales events. Of course, if you just want to play to your heart's content with the games that are all fully operational, having come out of the warehouse, which is not a tomb, but actually a place of hibernation and ultimately resurrection, well, then all you got to do is just the Holy Grail itself, Pacific Pinball Museum, 1510 Webster Street, Alameda. So, the Alameda Minute thanks you for being a part of this latest episode. And that's your Alameda Minute or so.